Hello fellow farmers, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to transfer your tokens from Binance Smart Chain all the way to Avalanche. Before, you could do it with spore.earth and you could exchange your BNB to Spore and then bridge the Spore all the way to the Avalanche network and then swap the Spore token to AVAX or whatever, a stablecoin, whatever. But as of now, Spore doesn't work anymore. Another way people were doing it, they were bridging their tokens from the Binance Smart Chain all the way to the Matic Polygon network and then bridge them from the Matic network all the way to the Avalanche network. So they had a two-step process to bridge their assets, which means you had to pay a little bit more in fees. But right now, you can do the same thing already with only one-step process, which is by going to elk.finance. Whenever you go to elk.finance, let me show you right here. You go to swap and you're gonna swap your BNB or your cake, whatever. You're gonna swap them for elk, which is the native token of elk.finance. Whenever you have your elk right here, you're still gonna see we are in the Binance Smart Chain network. You're gonna click on elk.net and it says right here, it's still in beta and it only supports transferring elk. So that's why you need elk in your MetaMask wallet. It only supports transfer to your own address. So from your MetaMask to your MetaMask, between bridging between networks. There's a max of 2000 elk per transfer. And if you have more than that, you need to wait 2 minutes between transfers. So it means that if you have more than 2000 elk to transfer, you're gonna have to pay more gas fees, but it's still only a one way. So I'm pretty sure this is still way cheaper than bridging it to Matic and then bridging from Matic to Avalanche. So whenever you have your elk ready, you're gonna select right here how much elk you wanna transfer. You're gonna select the chain, which you're gonna send it to, which for us is gonna be Avalanche. And right here, you can swap elk for AVAX. If you want to do that, if you don't, just leave it as is. And if you're already connected and you have a value right here already, you should just click transfer, accept the contracts, transaction fees that you're gonna have. Wait a minute, and then you go to your MetaMask and switch to the Avalanche network. So whenever you switch to the Avalanche network, you're gonna see right here, it's gonna change. It was Binance before, now it says Avalanche. And you should see elk right here on the top right side, which means your elk has been transferred from the Binance Smart Chain all the way to the Avalanche network. So now I have some elk. What do I do with it? Simple. You just swap it back to whatever coin you want to. So we put right here elk, and I'm gonna swap it to some USDT. And I'm just gonna click max and swap it to whatever coin I need. So of course, right now, when we get into the Avalanche network, your gas fees are gonna be in AVAX. So you should have some AVAX to begin with. That's why before, when you were bridging, it was asking you if you wanted to convert some of the elk already into AVAX for the gas fees. So if it was your first time, I would advise you to do so. You don't have to use one elk. You can do whatever amount you do because AVAX is gonna be used as your gas fee. So this is basically it. As simple as that. elk.finance, you bridge from your Binance Smart Chain all the way to the Avalanche mainnet. So this is it, guys. I hope this was useful to you, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe down below. And as of always, stay humble and happy farming. I'll see you in the next video.